Hi, let us continue with our Google form. Here you have already named your Google form as test. Now we shall start adding questions. To add question, you have these symbols here, and here you have a plus sign. So you click on that, wherein you can begin adding your question. So suppose you're collecting somebody's data, you can start with name, and as soon as you select name, by default on your right hand side you see here your answer, it is detecting a short answer, which means your respondent has to give a short answer. Suppose you write something like, tell me about yourself, then I click outside, it will select paragraph. So it is an AI where the Google form on its own by default select certain kinds of answers that you need for your form. So now first we will begin with the name. It has selected a short answer, and below here you have few options, in which one of the option is to duplicate, which means if I click on this, it will repeat the same question once again. I don't need that now, so I go here. You have the second option of delete, so I delete it. And then you have required. Now remember to check this every time you create a question and you feel that the question is compulsory, and without answering this, if you don't want your respondent to go to the next question, then you need to mark this and check this. Now next you create the question. To add one more question, we do the same procedure as clicking on the plus symbol, and it will go to the next question. Now suppose you want something in a paragraph. Tell me about yourself, maybe some kind of a description. So immediately you will get a paragraph answer. So these two things. Now if you want to see a preview of how your question looks like, how your form looks like, you have these icons here: add-ons, customize. We customized our theme here, and next to that you have an eye where you can see the preview. You click on that, you see your form will look to the respondent in this way. So here I don't need to do anything because automatically it is collecting my email ID here. Suppose that respondent has to change the email ID, they can switch account, and they need to just write here whatever they want, their name, and then they have to submit. It will go to a response sheet that we will see in the next session. So thank you guys. Please write to erpwithdeepak@gmail.com. We will learn more about Google Forms. Please subscribe.